Welcome to Science by PK, where we make science fun, simple, and exciting, and easy to understand. Today, we're taking on an incredible journey beyond our solar system to explore one of the most fascinating topics in astronomy, the study of exoplanets. These are planets that exist outside our solar system, and they've completely changed the way we think about the universe and the possibility of alien life. Let's start with the basics. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars other than our sun. The first confirmed exoplanet was discovered in 1992, and since then, astronomers have identified more than 5,000 exoplanets and counting. Just imagine that, thousands of planets, each one different, and all of them waiting to be explored. But how do we find these distant worlds when they're so far away and too small to see directly? Scientists use a few clever techniques. One of the most popular methods is the transit method. It works like this. When a planet passes in front of its star, it causes a tiny dip in brightness. By studying these dips, astronomers can figure out the size, orbit, and even the atmosphere of the planet. It's like detecting a flying buzzing right in front of a light bulb from millions of kilometers away. Pretty impressive, right? Another method is called the radial velocity method, or the wobble method. When a planet orbits a star, its gravity causes the star to wobble slightly. This wobble can detect through the Doppler effect, which measures changes in the star's light waves. Using this technique, scientists can estimate the mass of the planet and how close it is to the star. Now here's the exciting part. Some of these exoplanets might be habitable. That means they could have liquid water, a key ingredient to life as we know it. Scientists are especially interested in planets located in the habitable zone, also known the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, but not too cold, just right for life to exist. One famous example is the Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the closest star to our solar system, just 4.224 light years away. It's about the same size as Earth, and is located in its star's habitable zone, meaning this might have water, but there's a catch. Its star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf, which means it's smaller and cooler than our sun. It also gives off solar flares that might make life on the planet difficult. Still, it's one of the best candidates we have for finding alien life. Another fascinating planet is Kepler-22b, located about 600 light years away. It's bigger than Earth and sits comfortably in the star's habitable zone. Scientists believe it could have oceans, clouds, making it possible to have life and the things for future exploration. And then there's TRAPPIST-1, a star system with 7 Earth-sized planets. What's incredible is that 3 of these planets are in the habitable zone, and they're so close to each other that if you stood on one, you could see the others in the sky like moons. It's basically a mini solar system, and it's captured the imagination of scientists everywhere. But exoplanets aren't just about finding habitable worlds. Some of them are downright weird. There's AH-20945b8b, nicknamed Olaris, which is a gas giant that is so close to its star, its atmosphere is evaporating into space. It's literally falling apart. Then there's WASP-212b, a planet that is being ripped apart by its star's gravity, turning it into a teardrop shape. And let's not forget 55 Sarnis E, which scientists believe might be made of diamond. Imagine an entire planet covered in crystals. That's the kind of thing that makes you realize how wild the universe can be. The search for exoplanets is not just about finding alien worlds, it's about understanding our place and the universe. Are we alone, or is life out there waiting to be discovered? With new telescopes like the James Webb Telescope, scientists can now study atmospheres and even look for gases like oxygen, methane that might indicate life. But here's the most mind-blowing part based on this number of stars in our galaxy. Scientists estimate there could be billions of exoplanets out there. That's right, billions. And even if a tiny fraction of them have the right condition of life to exist beyond Earth, suddenly it doesn't seem so impossible. So what's next? Scientists are working on missions to study exoplanets in even more detail. Future telescopes like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and the Grounded Base of Observations will be able to directly image planets, giving us our first real look at these distant worlds. And who knows, the next big discovery might not just be another planet, it might be life. If today's journey into the universe has left you curious, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you next time on Science by PK, where we uncover the greatest secrets of the world. We'll see you next time.